Everyone, welcome again, and today we are going to continue the uh, automation task series, and we are covering one by one at each topic, and then we are discussing the interview question. In the last video we have seen the select options, like how can we handle the drop downs in Selenium, right? And then in this video, in the last video you have seen in the Eclipse, we have performed many operations, like how can we select the single drop down option, how can we select a multiple option, how can we get all the options. If you didn't watch the video, I will put the link in the description, so just watch the video before that. And I'm going to continue the same video and same example and see how can we handle like deselecting means, let's say I have the URL. Let me find the URL first. So we have a URL here that we are handling here as demo select menu. Okay, this one. So let's say I have selected some option from the drop down. Let's say, for example, I select red or green or purple, and I want to deselect it to red or change something. Let's say I have selected option here as a group 2 option 1, and then I want to select it a default group 1. Okay, or here when I go to the Volvo, when I select the multi-select and I want to deselect this by automation. So how can I do that? The first thing you have to keep in mind for the interview purpose, this can be a tricky one. So they can ask you like, how can you how can you deselect or value from the drop down. So always keep in mind, you already know what is a multi-select, and deselect options is available only for the multi-select. So if you read this line here, I added into the document as well. So if you see here, deselect option is only possible for the select element with multiple attributes. It's a single select. If it's a single select drop down, you must select a different options instead. Okay, what it means, let's try to deselect some option. So here in this example, if you see this, what we are doing here, we are selecting, let's talk about first the single select. Okay, here is the single select, and we are selecting a green here by visible text. Okay, in this option, let's try to deselect the single one. Okay, so what I'm going to deselect single option. So what I can do option dot deselect by value or by visible text. So I'm passing here green, or not option, it will be green. So and green. What it means here, if you see, I'm selecting a option green, and here in the same select I want to deselect it, but as our comment, as our note in the document, it says deselecting option is only possible for the select element with a multiple attribute, but this option doesn't have a multiple. Okay, so it means this will not work. This should not work. Let's try this. I am running my script again, and it will load, select some options, and let's see what it will work or not with deselect. Okay, you can see it's selected, but it's not deselecting the green one. Okay, and if you go to the console, you will see there is a unsupported operations exception. You may only deselect options for multi-select. What it means? It means for a single select, we can't deselect option. So how can we achieve this? To achieve this, what you can do, let's say you want to deselect and you want to change a value. I'm going to option dot select by visible text, and I'm going to keep it this time red. It means this green will be changes into red or blue. Let's keep it a blue. That's in our second index, so I'm going to keep it as a blue. So what we are doing, we are not deselecting it, but we are selecting the different one. So it means the single one will be deselect automatically. Let's run it again and check is it working. But why we have this deselect option in the option? So we have, because we can handle the multiple select option by using deselect. This is the important one. So this time if you go here, go down, and you see it's the page is loading. Currently it's red, green, and now it's automatically turned into the blue. Okay, so it's changing. Now let's say use deselect. So for that we have to use the multiple option. So we have already the multiple option here in this one. This is the multi option, okay, the carbon. So let's say multi option dot deselect. We can say deselect all, means it will deselect all of them. Okay, if I go with multi option dot deselect by index, by value, by text. Okay, so let's say by text I'm going to deselect the audio. Okay, so first I'm going to run with this one, and then we'll go with a deselect all, because first it will deselect all of them. So I'm going to deselect this audio after selecting it. Okay, so let's right click, run it as a Java application, and the browser will open, the page will load. Okay, you will see it's selecting all this and deselecting audio again. Now let's take an example of deselect all. This time it should deselect all of them. It means the options will be free to select from that. The selected option will be automatically unselected. So this is the magic of automation that we can test, like web pages. You can see now it's deselected. We can verify this. So this is all about deselect. It's a quick and simple topic. So I will keep another video for the select and the complete session that I've covered in the previous session, that you can watch and then continue this video. So in case you have any queries, you have any question, you can drop me a comment. I will try to answer them. And yeah, definitely, if there are more comment on a specific topic, we'll create a separate video for that. And this is all about the drop downs in Selenium. We have covered all the topics, and even the interview question. Also, if you need a documentation or notes for the interview, you can comment me. I will share it with you. Thank you for watching.